Isikhathi sokudlala siphelile manje. Isikhathi seBafana siphelile manje. Sibuyela kwi-club football. Ibhola bafethu liyabuya kule weekend. Liyaqala namhlanje ibhola. Ama-games e-Betway Premiership azodlala namhlanje, nakusasa akhona ama-games e-Betway Premiership azodlalwa. But-ke ama-games abhekwe ngamehlo abofu, ama-games azodlalwa amathema la e-South Africa. Njengoba beyodlala nje beyorepresenta i-South Africa. Yabo. Kaizer Chiefs iyodlala nayo igame yayo first leg with i-team yale kuyimanje base-DRC. No-Orlando Pirates nayo iyodlala ne-club aqhamuka le e-DRC, igama layo i-Saint El Lupopo. Le club le bafethu angazi oluningi ngayo because ayijwayele vele ukuthi idlale kwi-Champions League, but-ke i-Orlando Pirates ithole ithuba lokuthi idlale nayo kwi-second leg ama-CAF prelims. Mamelodi Sundowns nayo yenye yama-club ezohamba iye le eNigeria iyodlala ne-club ekuthiwa i-Remo Stars. I-Remo Stars-ke bafethu i-club le ethandwayo le eNigeria, ayikaze nayo lithole ithuba lokuthi idlale kwi-Champions League, so izofuna impela ukuthi ishaye i-Sundowns ukuze ithole ithuba lokuthi idlale kwi-Champions League. But-ke i-team engizokhuluma ngayo la kakhulu ngizokhuluma i-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates bafethu so far yenza kahle kakhulu ku-Betway Premiership. So far yenza kahle kakhulu kuma-cup competition. Ayibona ishaye iLayelo FC kwi-first prelim ngosikhathi beshaya nje iLayelo FC ngo-7-0. So igame le izoyibaluleke kakhulu for i-Orlando Pirates. First match bazobedlala away. I know kuzobe ku-difficult for abajita, but-ke ama-conditions kumele siwajwayele. Ama-conditions, ama-tough environments kumele siwajwayele ase-Africa. Kunabadlali-ke la bazobedlala for i-Orlando Pirates abangakaze ba-travel e-Africa, abangakaze badlala i-Champions League. So i-Champions League ibaluleke kakhulu, abajita kumele bayi-understand, kumele bayijwayele. Yabo nje usunapolice umjita usazojwayela nje usunapolice. Simfuna nje umdlali wangempela ku-CAF Champions League because uyena mjita ozokwazi ukunlockela abadlali abanjengoThepang Morema, abanye babadlali labo bazokwazi ukunlockela indonga because amathima amaningi akwi-CAF Champions League ayakwazi ukudefenda, adefenda ngempela. So we need players abazokwazi ukunlocka lokho nolokho. Last season Orlando Pirates bafethi ibingenayo depth eningi ukuze idlale kahle kwi-Champions League. But-ke mengisathu ukubheka nje kule season ziningi izinto bafethu ezisihambela kahle. Ngizwile kuthiwa uNdawo uyabuya, ukubuya kwaNdawo kuzosinikeza bafethu i-competition eningi emuva. I-competition eningi emuva because yes uNdawo usebuyile utrainer with i-first team and utrainer kahle, but once ubuye the current squad right now, we have a defender of the season, we have Mbokazi, we have CM who's been playing very very well. You see with the competition is tight and a player like Unda, obviously Unda will walk straight into that first lineup. But again, asazi noma uzokwazi nokumimpress ucoach because this is a new coach. A new coach lo uthanda ibhola elinye. Ngizwele fundo Makehleni Makaula ubuyile na. Ubuya kwaMakehleni Makaula is another big W for Orlando Pirates. It's a win for Orlando Pirates because that adds for another competition. You have Usehleni Nduli, Makehleni Makaula uzobuya naye bafethu azama ukulwela isquad phela because ukuthi ulimela kusho ukuthi uzophinda ubuye, uzofika ungene lapha. Yabo, Orlando Pirates manje uma umdlali nje mawalimala usenkingeni ngempela. Meko walimala right now usenkingeni ngempela because umdlali uzophakamisa isandla athathe isikhala sakho. Walimala usibisi. Bukela into esiyenziwe uCM right now. Yabo, walimala uMakehleni Makaula, wangena uNduli uyadlala right now. Yabo, so meko walimala nje kumele nje ngempela uthandaza ukuthi lo mdlali lo akenzi kodwa ngeke equality iningi kakhulu right now. So Orlando Pirates for me le game le I think akumele abajita bayi-undermine le club le, even though i-club engaziwa, but akumele bayi-undermine ama-prelim lawo. Ama-prelim washawa awuyi kwi-Champions League. Singenzi lento esayenza kwi-Jwaneng Galaxy. Lento esayenza nje kwi-Jwaneng Galaxy asingayenzi kule club le. I-Jwaneng Galaxy iyohlala isifundo i-Jwaneng Galaxy. So kumele senze sure ukuthi sifilda the best lineup for i-game le. Sifilda the best lineup for this match because this match it is the do or die for Orlando Pirates because we want to get back to i-Champions League. Yona futhi engicaka i-Champions League le ama prelim ayenzi sense, but-ke siwadlala for me ayenzi sense, ayenzi nje isense, ayikaze yayenza isense. Mhlambe-ke mungase ungitshela ama-comments what is the reason of ukudlala ama-prelims. Sikephi isidingo sokudlala ama-prelims?